Yo, what's up guys? Kaustubh Sriyansh is here and today I'm gonna show you my homemade ceiling fan guys. Let's get started. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you the homemade ceiling fan. New guys. Before showing the ceiling fan, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications. Already I got 4 subscribers guys. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is the ceiling fan guys. It is Crompton guys. I named it guys Crompton. It is 12 okay, it is 100 guys, because it is paper made fan guys, and it is very smaller than and it is very smaller than that fan guys. Crompton grows. Okay, let's get back to it. Okay, I'm gonna on the ceiling fan button, but when I press the ceiling fan switch guys, it will whistle guys when it is turning. Okay, let's go. 3. Okay guys, let's turn the ceiling fan. 3, 2, 1. It actually whistles guys, but oh man, it actually whistles guys. Oh my god. Okay, let's turn off. Oh, phew, that's a close one. Hope you enjoy this video. I really hope you enjoy this video guys, and make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications, and comment down below how you like the ceiling fan guys, homemade ceiling fan. It is the new ceiling fan guys, yes, from Air Paper. And tomorrow I am uploading one video guys, and that is ceiling fan compilation guys, like 2 ceiling fans, 3 or 4, like that guys. I will see guys. Okay, make sure you I really hope you enjoy this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon guys, and comment down below how you like the ceiling fan. Okay, see you guys. #peace.